Edufacts presents Top 10 Largest Animals in the World. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you know whenever we release a new video. Make sure to watch this whole video so you can see what the largest animal in the world is. Number 10. The green anaconda. The green anaconda is the largest snake in the world as it measures 30 feet long. It weighs over 550 pounds. The green anaconda lives in tropical rainforests, especially in the Amazon rainforest. Although the green anaconda is so big, it is not immune to predators. Predators of small anaconda include crab-eating foxes and tegu lizards. Green anacondas spend most of their life in water, more than any other boa species. They feed on birds, fishes, amphibians, mammals, and other reptiles. A female green anaconda can mate with multiple males. But most of the time after the mating process, the female tends to eat her mates to survive for gestation period. At the end of the rainy season, the female gives birth to her offspring, usually numbering between 20 to 40. Number 9. Ostrich. Ostrich are the largest birds in existence. When the ostrich stands, it measures an amazing height of 9 feet. The bird weighs about 156 kg, and its eyes, which are about 5 centimeters in length, are the largest eyes seen on any mammal on land. Most of its height comes from its legs and its long neck. Although the ostrich is a bird, it cannot fly. But it is the fastest running bird in existence, with a speed of about 65 kilometers per hour. Today, ostrich are only found natively in Africa. Ostriches living in the wild are expected to live for 20 to 30 years, and in conditioned space, they can live up to 70 years. Ostriches may seem nice, but they are not. One kick from them can make a person die. Ostriches are very big birds, but their brains are smaller than their eyeballs. These giant birds are omnivores. This means that they eat both vegetation and meat. Number 8. Elephant seal. The elephant seal is over 6 meters long and can weigh up to 4.5 tons. This seal's major habitat is the sea. Elephant seals are among the seals that can stay on land for the longest period of time, as they can stay dry for several consecutive weeks each year. Elephant seal were almost extinct in the 19th century due to hunting. Luckily, they are still alive today. Elephant seal are carnivores. There are 2 types of elephant seals, northern and southern. Northern elephant seals live for 9 years. Southern elephant seals live for 20 to 22 years. Number 7. Polar bears. An adult male polar bear weighs around 775 pounds to 1,200 pounds. The largest polar bear recorded weighed 2,209 pounds. Females weigh half as much as males. When standing on its hind legs, male polar bears may reach more than 10 feet. At birth, the baby polar bear weighs less than 2 pounds. Then the mother feeds the babies milk, which makes them grow fast, and after 10 weeks, the cubs weigh about 20 to 25 pounds. Young polar bears wrestle in the snow to build their strength and skills. Baby polar bears spend most of their childhood life inside the den with their mother. Baby polar bears are very playful and they play with their mother and siblings. Number 6. Whale shark. These huge fish weigh up to 22 tons and are 40 feet long. Although these animals are so big, they consider tiny plankton the most ideal diet to follow. The whale shark is one of the 3 large filter-feeding sharks. Luckily, whale sharks do not pose any danger to humans. In fact, some humans swim right next to these giant fish. Sadly, these very large fish are struck by boats many times as they swim. Number 5. Hippopotamus. Hippos are large semi-aquatic mammals. They have large barrel-shaped bodies, but they have short legs and a short tail. Hippos are considered the second largest land animal on Earth. These large mammals were once found all around Africa, but due to habitat loss, they are mostly found in protective areas in East African countries. Although hippos are so large, they eat mostly grass. But they do eat a lot of it. They can guzzle down 35 kg of grass in one night. Hippos usually live in large herds of up to around 10 to 20 individuals. All the hippos in the herd are led by one large male. The other members in the herd are usually females, they're young, and a few young non-breathing males. Female hippos that are called cows give birth to one every 2 years. Number 4. Giraffe. Giraffes are very tall animals and range in size from 16 to 18 feet tall. Giraffes are not territorial and live in groups of 12 to 15 giraffes. The herd has a leader, which is an older male called a bull. A female giraffe carries one baby at a time for 15 months before giving birth. After being born, giraffes can live for up to 25 years. As they grow, their neck becomes longer, and that is very important because the higher the neck becomes, the better leaves they can get. Number 3. African elephant. African elephants are the largest mammals on land. Even their head weighs up to 100 pounds. African elephants have 4 molar teeth, which weigh up to 11 pounds each and measure about 12 inches long. Another feature of the African elephant is their trunk. Their trunk is amazing in many different ways. The trunk has an estimated amount of 40,000 to 150,000 muscles. African elephants can live for up to 60 years. African elephants are like humans in some ways. One of these ways is their chin. They are the only mammal beside humans who have them. Number 2. Colossal squid. The colossal squid is a very large animal and is 45 feet long. Its eyes are the biggest in the animal kingdom. They are bigger than the size of a 32-inch football and reach about 25 centimeters in diameter. Colossal squids live in very cold water. They can be found along Antarctica, New Zealand, and even some areas of Africa. They are mostly found in very deep areas in the ocean. Not much is known of the colossal squid because of its remote habitat. Number 1. The blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals in the world and live in all the oceans on Earth. They swim in small groups or alone sometimes. Blue whales aren't just heavy as adults, they're also very heavy as a calf. They start off life weighing 2 tons and gain an extra 200 pounds each day of its first year. Although these mammals are very large, they feed on shrimp-like creatures called krill. Thanks for watching our video, and if you knew what the number 1 animal was, comment down below. And once again, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!